Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Spoken English by Savi. This is Savi offering you a gracious welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and safe. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it to get to all the notifications regarding my videos. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and watch them all. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about the sentences, the types of sentences and how to frame sentences. I'll be explaining you the sentence structure as well. So please watch the video till the end to know all the tips and tricks about it. Let us first discuss what is a sentence. A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject, a predicate, conveying a statement, question, exclamation or command, and consisting of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses, right? So what it actually means is वो group of words जो आपस में मिलके एक sentence बना रहे हैं, and वो जो sentence है उसका एक meaning है, एक sense समझ में आ रही है उस sentence की. That sentence could be a statement one कि किसी चीज़ को convey कर रहा है, और it could be in a question form कि कोई question put किया जा रहा है, ठीक है, और it could be in a form of a command. The main thing is that it should contain a subject and a predicate. Let us now discuss the sentences according to their types of purpose, right? So the first one is declarative sentence. This sentence basically makes a statement to tell us about something, and the word order would be like subject plus verb. To give an example, it would be like, for example, I say I like coffee. I watched TV last night. So in both these sentences, I'm kind of making a declaration or a statement. Then talking about interrogative sentences, these sentences generally ask a question. They ask us something, or for example, if they want kind of information, and these sentences always end up with a question mark. And the usual word order for this would be like WH words plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. To give an example, do you like coffee? Where did you go? Where do you want to go? The next type is imperative sentences, right? They generally give us a command, they tell us to do something, or they usually end up with a full stop or an exclamation. The usual word order would be like a base verb. To look at the examples, I can say stop, or I could say give her coffee, give me coffee. The next sentence type is an exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences, they generally express a strong emotion or a surprise, and they always end up with an exclamation mark, right? The usual word order would be WH words plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb, or it could be adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. To illustrate, I could say how he liked, what an exciting movie it was. So basically in these four types of sentences, डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में क्या होता है कि एक डेक्लरेशन बनाते हैं या एक स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, मतलब काइंड ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडिंग कि हम कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. देन इंटेरोगेटिव, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इसमें एक काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पुट किया जाता है. आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पुट करते हो किसी से इन्फॉर्मेशन सीक करने के लिए. इन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस हम एक ऑर्डर या एक कमांड देते हैं किसी को कुछ करने के लिए. एंड इन एक्सक्लामेटिव सेंटेंसेस हम एक तरह से एक इमोशन दिखाते हैं, एक इमोशन या एक सरप्राइज एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. सो अगर मेरे को ये चारों सेंटेंसेस को, चारों टाइप्स को एक ही सेंटेंस में यूज़ करना हो, ठीक है, आई कुड से ही स्टॉप्ड. इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस. ये एक डेक्लरेशन या एक स्टेटमेंट बताई जा रही है, ही स्टॉप्ड. देन इंटेरोगेटिव में डिड ही स्टॉप, तो ये पूछ रही हूँ कि क्या वो रुका. देन इम्पेरेटिव में आई कुड से स्टॉप, तो ये मैं एक कमांड दे रही हूँ या एक ऑर्डर दे रही हूँ रुकने के लिए. और एक्सक्लामेटिव में आई कुड से हाउ ही स्टॉप्ड, मैं मतलब पूछ रही हूँ एक काइंड या एक इमोशन एक्सप्रेस कर रही हूँ कि वो रुक गया. सो दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई विल बी एडिंग एन एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस ओवर हेयर. You just solve it up, and if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also guys, this was the first part of the sentence structure. Part 2 will be coming tomorrow. So don't forget to watch it because I'll be discussing simple, compound and complex sentences in it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for the more upcoming videos. Also share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you tomorrow in the part 2 of this sentence structure. Bye bye till then and take care.